Hey guys, so Honor just sent over these two products to us, the Honor Band 6 and the Honor MagicWatch 2. And the reason I'm making this video today is number one, both these products are available at a really exciting price in India right now. And number two, I will also be giving these away, so make sure to stick till the end of this video. Okay, before moving forward, let me quickly elaborate on the set offers. The Honor Band 6 is currently available for just 2,999 Indian rupees, while the MagicWatch 2 enjoys a price of 8,999 only. This means that you can buy these products for almost half their original prices from Amazon and Flipkart right now. Furthermore, Honor is also providing bank discounts and other additional offers, making this such a lucrative deal. But remember, this offer is only valid till October 10th, so make sure you grab this deal ASAP. Anyway, I have already made a detailed review of both of them, whose links will be down in the description if you would like to check it out. For now, let me unbox them. Here we have the Honor Band 6. Inside we get the fitness tracker itself, some paperwork and the charging cable. Keeping this aside, let's unbox the Honor MagicWatch 2. We have the watch at first, alongside the magnetic dock for charging, a USB Type-C cable, and finally the paperwork. Okay, if you have watched my review of the Honor Band 6, I had said that it is a worthy smart band option. It comes with a larger, more spacious form factor than your traditional fitness trackers like Xiaomi Mi Band 6. Its 1.47 inches AMOLED screen is also vibrant and bright enough for outdoor usage, and the 282 ppi pixel density means that it is sharp to look at and does not suffer from pixelation of any kind either. Plus, Honor is offering tons of watch faces, including options to customize a few according to your preference. In terms of ingress protection, the Honor Band 6 gets 5 ATM water resistance certification too. And you get all kinds of basic fitness tracking features here with all-day heart rate monitoring, manual SpO2 and sleep tracking. The battery life of the Honor Band 6 is also quite impressive, as you will be able to get about 10 days of backup with continuous heart rate and stress monitoring turned on. So for 3,000 Indian rupees, the Honor Band 6 is an absolute steal. Okay, now let's talk about the Honor MagicWatch 2. Here, if you have a small wrist, then I would suggest you get the 42mm model, whereas the larger 46mm configuration that also includes a tachymeter is suitable for those with a big wrist. But regardless of which variant you end up getting, the MagicWatch 2 offers a premium build quality. It gets a stainless steel frame that not only contributes to a luxurious look, but also ensures the watch is durable and wards off minor scratches easily. Moreover, the MagicWatch 2 arrives in either sport or leather strap option for a custom look. On top of the premium design, its AMOLED display is an absolute visual treat. The colors look punchy and you'll have no trouble with visibility either. It even supports automatic brightness adjustment. In terms of watch faces, there are a lot of options to choose from, while the UI itself is pretty well designed. When it comes to fitness tracking, the MagicWatch 2 brings 15 goal-based exercises complemented by dual positioning GPS. Then there's 24-hour heart rate, stress, sleep, and blood oxygen measurement too. It also has 5 ATM water resistance, and if you're into competitive swimming, its S-Wolf analysis is also something you would admire. Another thing that I like about the Watch 2 is that it lets you take phone calls or locally store music files as well. I am also quite impressed with its battery life, since it lasted me for 2 weeks even under heavy usage. Anyway, now let me discuss about how you can win one of these. To enter the giveaway, all you've got to do is subscribe to Gadget Byte, like this video, and then leave a comment down below. We will announce the winners in a week time in Twitter and YouTube, so stay tuned, and a very happy Dasai to you all.